Whether you're freshening up under the hood of your car or just replacing your fan shroud, we've got the highest quality and most authentic reproduction in the industry. Hey, I'm Dennis, and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1969 and 70 Cutlass and 442 fan shrouds. This product has been officially licensed by General Motors. The GM Restoration Parts emblem represents the most authentic and accurate parts for your restoration available in the industry. Designed for Cutlass and 442 applications, our shrouds are manufactured from ABS plastic and fiberglass and case-hardened steel tooling to ensure accuracy and authenticity to the original. True to the factory piece, our shrouds feature all the correct factory lines, dimensions, and pre-drilled mounting holes. They will keep your engine cool in the hottest of temperatures. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.